Okay, very quickly. See this structure right there? That's the optic nerve. That's a bundle of axons there, the optic nerve. See these dark objects, this dark object, that dark one, that one, that one? These are the extrinsic eye muscles, the rectus and oblique muscles, which you do not need to recognize individually on here. But you need to know that these are extrinsic eye muscles and that this is an optic nerve. This is the cornea right there. Normally it would be transparent, but it's been in preservative. The sclera around here. And if we do a quick dissection, it's two scissors for the final cut. There, we can see the lens. There is the lens right there. You take the lens out, yank it free. There we go. Remember cornea. I'm actually putting the probe through the pupil. I'm touching the cornea from the inside, right there. So where I'm putting the probe now is between the iris and the lens. That would be the anterior chamber of the anterior cavity. This dark ring around that oval-shaped hole, which is the pupil, that is the iris. These ridges here, these radiating ridges, would be the ciliary processes all the way around the outside of the iris. And this little bit of stuff here, that's actually a little bit of, looks like vitreous humor. Let's see. Where is the vitreous humor? Where's the ball of jelly? Come on, we're cheated. So this is the retina, the stuff that looks like snot. That's the retina here. And if I tug on it, you can see where it's joined. So if I tug it to the left, push it up, it's joined right there. That's where the optic nerve is, what's called the optic disc, right there. The optic nerve leaves the rear of the eye at the optic disc, right there. So this would be the pigmented layers of the pigmented epithelium of the retina, black and blue. You peel that back, it does peel back. What's revealed would be the choroid layer of the eye right there. So actually, I'm sorry, I'm pulling the choroid layer with me. There's black on the other side is the choroid layer. This is actually the sclera, the inside surface of the sclera there. The black is the choroid, shove that back in place, and now we're seeing the pigmented epithelium of the retina. And here we see, this is where all the rods and cones are, the snotty looking stuff, all the rods and cones. And then leaving at the optic nerve or optic disc right there. That's it. Any questions? Anything else?